Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to talk about how to overcome addiction. Let's get into the steps to follow to overcome addiction. The first step in overcoming addiction is acknowledging that you have a problem. Acknowledging that you have a problem is the first step towards getting help. The second step is to seek professional help. Addiction is a complex problem that often requires specialized treatment. Seeking help from a professional therapist, counselor, or addiction specialist can help you learn coping skills, develop healthy habits, and stay on track with your recovery. For example, if you're struggling with opioid addiction, you may benefit from medication-assisted treatment, MAT, that includes medication such as buprenorphine or methadone, along with counseling and support. The third step is to build a support system. Recovery from addiction is a journey that can be difficult to undertake alone. Building a support system of friends, family, or other individuals in recovery can help you stay motivated, accountable, and connected. For example, attending Alcoholics Anonymous meetings or joining a support group for individuals in recovery can provide a sense of community and support. The fourth step is to develop healthy habits. Addiction often takes a toll on physical health as well as mental health. Developing healthy habits such as exercise, healthy eating, and getting enough sleep can help you feel better physically and mentally. For example, incorporating regular exercise into your routine can boost mood and reduce stress, while getting enough sleep can improve mental clarity and focus. The fifth and final step is to stay committed to your recovery. Recovery is a lifelong process, and it requires commitment, effort, and persistence. Celebrate your progress and be kind to yourself as you continue on your journey towards a healthier and happier life. For example, setting small goals along the way, such as attending a certain number of meetings or reaching a certain milestone in your recovery, can help you stay motivated and committed to your goals. These 5 steps can be incredibly helpful for anyone who is looking to overcome addiction. Remember, recovery is a journey that requires patience, commitment, and support. Let's end up with a small story. Max had been struggling with addiction for years. He had started using cocaine in his late teens, and over the years, his use had escalated to the point where he was spending every penny he had on the drug. His addiction had caused him to lose his job, his apartment, and his relationships with friends and family. One day, Max hit rock bottom. He had nowhere to go, no one to turn to, and was completely broke. He knew that he couldn't continue living like this and decided to seek help. Max had heard about a local addiction treatment center and decided to give it a try. He enrolled in their residential program and was nervous about what to expect. He knew that the road to recovery wouldn't be easy, but he was determined to make a change. The first few days of the program were tough for Max. He was going through the detox process and was experiencing intense cravings for cocaine. He felt overwhelmed and wondered if he had made the right decision. However, as the days went on, Max began to see the benefits of the program. He attended individual and group therapy sessions, where he was able to talk about his addiction and the underlying issues that had contributed to it. He learned coping skills for managing triggers and cravings and began to develop a support network of fellow residents and counselors. Max also worked on rebuilding relationships with his family members. They had been skeptical of his ability to recover, but he was determined to prove them wrong. He attended family therapy sessions and was able to rebuild trust with them over time. Slowly but surely, Max began to see progress in his recovery. His cravings became less intense, and he started to feel more in control of his life. He even began to envision a future for himself that didn't involve drugs. After several months, Max graduated from the program and moved into a sober living house. He found a job and started attending support group meetings. He also began to reconnect with old friends who were supportive of his recovery. Today, Max has been sober for 2 years and has rebuilt many of the relationships that were lost due to his addiction. He's grateful for the second chance he was given and continues to work on his recovery every day. In conclusion, overcoming addiction is a difficult journey, but it's a journey that's worth taking. It takes courage, commitment, and hard work to break free from addiction and reclaim your life. If you or someone you know is struggling with addiction, Know that there is hope and help available. Remember, addiction is a disease, not a moral failing. There is no shame in seeking help and taking the steps necessary to overcome addiction. Whether it's seeking professional treatment, attending support group meetings, or reaching out to friends and family for support, know that there are resources available to help you on your journey to recovery. If you or someone you know is struggling with addiction, please reach out for help. You don't have to go through this alone. There is hope, and there is a brighter future waiting for you. Thank you for watching and take care. Bye.